Today, we'll set up the Rocksensor RTM5000 head-mount temperature transmitter from wiring a 3-wire RTD, powering up, and connecting the HART Communicator to configuring sensor settings. The RTM5000 head-mount temperature transmitter is a compact, high-accuracy transmitter for RTDs and thermocouples, featuring 0.1% FS accuracy, built-in cold junction compensation, and HART communication. For wiring, connect the RTD's black wire to terminal 3 and yellow wires to terminals 1 and 2. Then power the unit with 24 VDC, placing a 250 ohm resistor in the positive line. Connect the HART communicator across the resistor to enable configuration. Let's configure the transmitter. On the HART communicator, go to Menu, Online, Device Setup, Detail Setup, Sensors, Process Sensors, Sensor Setup. Here, select Sensor Class. As we are using an RTD, we choose RTD from the list. Next, select the sensor type. In the same sensor setup menu, choose PT100 since our RTD is a 3-wire PT100 sensor. To set the measurement range, go to Menu, Online, Device Setup, Basic Setup, 0 or Span Set. Here you can adjust LRV, lower range value, and URV, upper range value, according to your requirement. To change the unit, navigate again to Menu, Online, Device Setup, Detail Setup, Sensors, Process Sensors, Sensor Setup. Select unit and choose from Celsius or Fahrenheit depending on your requirement. And that's it. Your Rocksensor RTM5000 head mount temperature transmitter is wired, powered, and configured for a 3-wire PT100 RTD with a desired range and unit. For more instrumentation guides and tutorials, subscribe to our channel and stay updated with Rocksensor solutions.